So, woo! Welcome back, guys. What are you not doing?
We're sleeping in the van.
With me or not?
No pets allowed.
Wow, you lot gonna do a sleepover. It's 24.8 in here, guys. They've got a full battery, 13.9. So what you lot are saying today then? What you lot gonna actually do? Because obviously there's no parents allowed, right? You told me there's no parents allowed. So what are we gonna do today? It's so warm in here, I've got the engine running. And obviously I've got Mr. Buddy here, but they're not gonna use. I'm not wanting to use no gas. Do we? Because obviously you're not adult, are you? Okay, but I've got surveillance cameras on you.
All of us?
You two? Yes or no? You don't know where the surveillance cameras are? You've never seen the surveillance cameras on the van yet?
I have.
Are you a plonker? Okay. So, what are we doing today, girls? And no boys for those skunk. He's too young, isn't he?
Yeah, he's 3 years old.
Yeah, and how old are you?
Like us.
So 6 years old, you're allowed to do this.
I'm 8.
You're 8, and you how old are you? So are you allowed to stay at night? So what do you think's bad? Staying in a camper van with security doors and security cameras, or a tent? Tell me, because I know a lot of kids stay in tents, right? So what do you want to stay in, a tent, or do you want to stay in the van? Why is that?
Because it's more stronger than the tent.
Okay. So no bad wolves can get you.
There's no wolves.
So why are you watching Family Guy? Who put Family Guy on it?
You and my mum watched the DVD.
But
You said you bring cars.
cars, it's so hot in here though. Look, it's 25 degrees in here now.
Cut for the drink.
For the Coke. Right, I'm going to check in here now to see if there's any boyfriends.
Okay.
Okay, let me just double check. Have you got any boyfriends in here?
Nope.
Okay, let me just
I
double
think
check.
you have a boyfriend.
You sure?
Yes. My mummy Vincent.
Okay, so do you want any adults to stay in here with you tonight?
No. No adults allowed.
Why? So I have to surveillance the van all night? Do I have to surveillance the van all night then?
Yeah.
Because you're not an adult. You do know that, right?
Yes. I'm nearly 9 years old.
Who's 9? And how old are you?
I just told you that.
And when you need 7?
January.
Okay. As the van's nearly done, guys. Where are you sleeping?
When we go to Scotland.
Who said we go to Scotland? You come to Scotland now. It's so hot in this. Can I turn off the heater?
Yes.
But what I'm saying to you, yeah, look. Mosaiah, look. This is a double duvet for you, right? Listen. A double duvet. You make sure you stay in your duvet. Because this is a continued video. Because you know something. I've got to do 24 hours surveillance tonight. Because you want to do this video.
So we need to stay in 24 hours.
I have to do 24 hours. You'll be sleeping. I have to stay up 24 hours. Because you want to do a sleepover. I've got a camera in my hand. And I've got cameras in the van. It's there. I can see everything you do. Jesus Christ. I want to do the jelly. Go on. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Alright then. Right. So if Neil comes back, what are you going to do tonight?
We're going to scare him. No, we're going to be quiet when he says, is anyone there? And then he's going to open the door. And we're going to scare him. And then we close our eyes and then we say boo and then we say sleep on the floor.
So he's got to sleep on that floor? And you sleep on that big ass bed?
Are we going to smack each other like this? If he comes here, we smack his bum and then we say sleep on the floor. That's too late.
Alright then, so can I brief my YouTubers what I've actually done to the van today?
Okay.
Because you lot are taking over my van.
Okay.
So, obviously today,
And then we're going to drive.
I've updated a few things in here today, guys. As you can see, I've got the big ass bed in there, and the reason I've made it that big, I'm trying to save space and wood, and I don't want it to be too heavy. As you can see, the Dominic fridge is under there. It's 60 litre. A 60 litre fridge under the bed, guys. I know it takes a bit of a step to get up, but it's lovely and it's working fine. I've got the isolator switch in. Show me. Bam! There you go. That's how you get down on the bed. And they are having this little. Yeah. No, that's the water tank. Don't stand on that, you little monkey. Boom! Okay. I've got a few more things to do. Obviously, I've got to still do the slide here. The kids are just jumping off the bed like it's a bouncy castle. I want to show you some bolts and that, and I'm going to show you that in the next video because these kids are keeping me occupied. They want to stay in the van, they want to stay in the tent, they want to do a little camping session. I've got my eyes on these all night. I've got CCTV as well, and I will be outside the van, but don't tell them that. Are you moaning because it's hot now?
Yeah.
Are you not going to be alright to stay on your own?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
And if there's any
Alright,
problems, like knocking on-
can someone sing a song?
And now we're gonna do this.
What's that shark song?
Baby shark, baby shark.
How do you do it? Go on, do the baby shark. Go on, go on.
Baby shark, no, that's dinosaur. This is baby shark.
How come you not got the same hair? You know what I mean? Look at your hair. No, you dyed your hair. Look at your hair, right? Right. Now look at your hair. How do you got the same hair?
Baby shark, do-do-do. Baby shark, do-do-do. Baby shark.
Should I tell her feet out?
What? Mama shark, do-do. Mama shark.
Who's got gonorrhea? What's gonorrhea? Come on, I thought you lot knew that now. You told me you wanted to go camping all night and you can't even tell me what gonorrhea is. Oh, what's going on? So I've got to sleep here tonight then, is that what you're saying?
Okay, with this door member.
Rosaria,
Yeah.
where am I sleeping tonight?
In your house.
Can I sleep here?
No.
You sure? Do you know what time it is? 3 o'clock.
No. It was 9 o'clock.
Show me the time then. 9:48. Okay, I'm telling the ballkeeper pies then. So Leah, if you need Daddy, what are you gonna do? Hmm? You got electric, you got a heater, you got everything in here, yeah?
I'm hot. And he's gonna call
Are you hot or are you cold?
because Leah said I can't go on her phone.
Okay. Alright then, I'm gonna trust you for tonight, yeah? But this is the only stand you're gonna have. No boys in here, is there? Is there any boys coming?
Neil.
Who's Neil?
And his uncle.
Neil's your uncle. Is he coming, is he? Alright then, alright. I'll let you off for that one, but there's no boys from your school, is there? Are you sure? Look at me. Look at me and tell me no boys coming from school.
No.
What about you?
What?
Is there any boys coming? Because I know you got a phone.
I don't.
Who's got a phone in here? You got a phone. Can I check that phone? It's got no boys' numbers. You only have Neil. What about Daddy's?
I don't even know that password.
What's that password?
24. No.
What is it?
I don't know. 2010.
You hear that? She told me the password. Has she got any boys' numbers in there? I need to actually know. If not, I have to keep
No, what?
24 minutes.
What's this?
Uh-oh, that's you, Rosaria. Keep calling.
Yeah, I have lots of these.
Anyway, I believe you, Leah, right?
There's only 2 boys on here. and
Right,
that's-
Leah,
That's Neil and...
I'm going to update this video tomorrow morning and you tell me how the sleep was, okay?
Yeah.
But make sure you stay in the sleeping bag and stay toasty, yeah? Alright, cool.
I'm hot though.
Hey.
Hello. You got a ball?
Did we get results?
You get a ball?
Did we get results?
What's
Did we get
that?
results? Balls.
Jesus Christ, she got the bottle.
How did we get balls,
Yeah,
man?
hot.
I think we're sleeping there tonight, aren't
Oh,
we?
listen, my battery died.
I was just
Now this is the morning time. Let's see how they react, yeah? Just come here, put the heat on the floor. Was it nice and warm? Huh? Was you not scared? No? I'll put the heat on for you for a bit, yeah? Getting it nice and warm, yeah? Little monkeys.